Take these 4 screws out. Use a T15, either a driver or a socket. Slide the assembly off and disconnect the connectors. Just push down on the tabs. They slide off like that. Same with that one. Then we can transfer these over to the new light. Just twist, slide it out. If you want to replace the bulb, just slide the bulb out of the socket. This one is a 3157. Slide this into the new assembly. And then twist. Take this other one out. Slide it out. And this one is a 3156 single filament. Slides back in like that. And just line the tabs up and twist it. And if you don't have a light up here, there should be a foam piece on here. Leave that on. Reconnect the connector. Line it up and lock it down. Now line this up and put the screws back in. Get them all started first. If you're having trouble getting some of these screws in, just push on the light a little bit. It helps if this seal is warm, if you're out doing it in the sun. Just snug these up, not too tight. There you go.